This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the passenger's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Raise the bonnet slightly, then move the safety catch lever to the side. Fully lift the bonnet, unclip the support prop and engage the end with the hole in the bonnet hinge bracket. Unclip the plastic access panel from the rear of the bulkhead. Use a screwdriver to release the clips and fold the flap downwards. Reach in and slide the main filter element from place. Note the arrows on the side of the element indicating airflow. Remove the secondary filter element. Wipe clean the inside of the filter housing. With the airflow arrows on the edge pointing downwards, manoeuvre the secondary filter element into place. Again, with the airflow arrows pointing downwards, insert the new primary filter element. Fold up the flap, ensuring the retaining clips engage. Refit the plastic access panel. Disengage the support prop and clip it into place on the front panel. Firmly close the bonnet and check it's secure.